I'm gonna put the shifter together. Here's that tiny little shift knob. That's how big it is. This goes on there. So we got this. That's Odie. Say hi, Odie. Got the boot. This is some of the plates and rods. We got Tico. Tico's here to help too. Got the hardware. Yeah, I don't have any like instructions. They go somewhere right here, like this. But yeah, I still gotta degrease this, so I might wait to put this on. Alright, I'm gonna look at some pictures and I'm gonna try to get everything together, and then I'll come back. Alright, on the picture is showing just set up like this. Okay, this is what got a couple problems, but this is the way it's gonna sit right here. These bolts will bolt in right here, so they got a spot. This side, I don't have nothing to bolt into to hold it. This side, I don't have nothing up here, but there is a bolt right here. Yeah, this one right here. So I don't know if I don't know if it has a bracket that drops down to go to that one. It does have brackets. These are the ones for them. It will go something like this or like this. So it bolts up right there. They have 3 different sizes. I believe this is gonna be the one I need. And that's just gonna, it comes with a nut and bolt. That you're gonna bolt it right there. These are the other 2. It's depending the length you need. And this piece right here is gonna go on the transmission to switch the gears. I keep forgetting to get some degreaser, so I'm just using some Dawn soap and some water and just scrub off the grease and oil. Alright, I got these 2 bolts out, and I took this one out right here too. Alright, I'm running into a problem right here with this one. The holes ain't lining up. This, either if I have this one bolted in, then this is way up too high. It's like sitting up here, so it don't fit that way. And if I put this one on, then this is sitting, the hole down here is really way too low, so I'm thinking I'm gonna have to drill another hole right here. There ain't nothing to mount it to, so I might have to get another bracket. Just maybe go to Home Depot or make one. Just bolt it here or right here, and then maybe make it come down here somehow, and I'll give it the support. This with these 2, and this one's not even tightened all the way, but it is pretty, it's, well, that part's loose, but it is pretty sturdy in there. Piece is pretty thick, so it takes off like half of the threads. So I'm just gonna go get a longer bolt. I end up having to go with this one. I think this one's gonna, this little bracket, I still gotta tie in this nut right here, but I'm just trying to line up everything. And then this one, I just got to put this right here and then make it reach to there. So these are the nuts and bolts that go through there and this side. Okay, I almost got it all installed. I'm still needing the 2 brackets I gotta finish. I got the plate cut out. I'm just sanding it right now just to get off all the rust. All right, this side is dry. I'm gonna finish this side now. Here's the plate. I made this bracket right here. See if it fits. It's not a thick piece of metal, but I think it'll do. Went to Home Depot to pick up some bolts. And I think it might fit. If not, I gotta make one of the holes a little bit lower. Alright, everything's installed. Everything's bolted up. Here's the bracket I made right here. So that's gonna just help support this side. It's not the strongest, but it'll do. And then you got these 2 here, and then this bracket here. I had to make another hole right there to get that one to fit right. Make a hole there. Let's go give it a test drive. It's in park right now. There's reverse, neutral, and drive. Alright, that's gonna be it for this video. Shifter works good, and I'll see you guys on the next video.